Hello everybody, welcome back to our Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily manage Vault timeout settings on your Bitwarden Desktop app. So first, what you guys want to do is click on the file on the top left side of the screen. Now here, let's click onto the settings. And in the settings, we want to go over to the security. So let me close this one. Here we will have our Vault timeout. As you guys can see, we can change the timeout to, let's say, 15 minutes. And we can select the timeout action, like log the vault or simply log out of the account. And here we can also unlock it with PIN. But we're here for the Vault timeout, so here we can change it. We can also set it to custom, like let's say 5 hours and 27 minutes. Then these settings will be just saved. So that's how you guys can do that. I hope this video helped you. If it did, then leave a like, subscription and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.